Hello, gorgeous people. Today, this is, I think, the only conclusion that I want to read because of a really cool purpose. I will show you that in a second. We are inside Windows Fundamentals 3, and this is the last task of our module pre-security. After this, we will learn a new thing, and we will watch. After this task, we will watch to see what the future will be. And the future is pretty close because that will be tomorrow. All right, in this room, we covered several built-in Windows security tools that ship with the Windows operating system to help keep the device protected. There is still so much to explain and cover regarding the Windows OS. As mentioned in Windows Fundamentals 1 room, the content is aimed at those who wish to understand and use the Windows OS on a more comfortable level. To learn more about Windows OS, you'll need to continue the journey on your own. Further reading materials, we have Anti-Malware Scan Interface, Credential Guard, Windows 10 Hello, Windows 10 Hello, CSO Online, the best new Windows 10 security features. Note, attackers use built-in Windows tools and utilities in an attempt to go undetected within the victim environment. This tactic is known as living off the land. Refer to the following resource here to learn more about this. Let's jump here first. And here we have a new thing. I never seen this. I never seen this. This is so great. Damn. This is so awesome. Man. So as I see, let me see. As I see, this is a website with Microsoft utilities, and you have information about them in terms of what can be used or abused. Living off the land binaries, scripts, and libraries. This is so awesome. If you want to contribute, Mitre attack, and alright. If you look into Unix binaries, please visit the following. Amazing. If you're looking for drivers, please following. Oh man, this is so cool. Damn, this is advanced stuff, but this is amazing. Awesome. I will investigate that more. But what I wanted to show you is for further reading material, we on the entire journey from Windows Fundamentals Part 1 all the way to Windows Fundamentals 3, we jumped from time to time on Microsoft Learning. And I just wanted to show this amazing tool to learn anything about Microsoft. So, we are on the learning platform on Microsoft, and you can just follow trainings, you can follow the documentation, Q&As. It's just an amazing tool to just go ahead and investigate and read more about stuff. You know, DevOps. You know, a lot of important and current subjects. You know, and if you don't want to go through that, you just search for anything. Let's search for our last section, shadow copy service. Volume shadow copy service. Boom, there you go. Everything that you want from the Microsoft documentation, which is absolutely amazing. They explain everything straight to the point without extra information, which I love. All right, that was it. So let's check. You completed the room. Perfect. Pre-security path is 100% complete. You also get from TryHackMe a certificate. But for now, we are good. As you can see, from our pre-security path, the only path that we've started, we are 45% complete introduction to cybersecurity, 4% junior tester. What else? Complete beginner, 16%. So you can see that even if you are doing one path, which for ourselves was pre-security, you have similar, or you have the same material in others as well. Now, we can do the next room by having some criteria. The first criteria that we see is the level of difficulty. We see a lot of easy rooms, but then we also see the level of completion inside a room. Introduction to cybersecurity, but we also have the complete beginner. And I think in the beginning I was between pre-security and complete beginner. And I think complete beginner will be the next one, just to finish this. Yeah, so no. The next one will be intro to cybersecurity path. As you can see, the exact same rooms are completed, and we have introduction to offensive security and defensive security. Resume learning. So they are recognizing the material and it's seen like it's already completed. All right. Then we are inside introduction to cybersecurity, our new path, and we'll go through offensive, introduction to offensive security. Amazing. I'm excited. So for this, we'll see each other tomorrow. Have fun and bye.